In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Reels with Later. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up your Reel inside Later so it's ready to go without you having to post it manually. We'll keep things simple and clear, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. First, log into Later and connect your Instagram account. Make sure the Instagram you connect is a business or creator account, because scheduling features rely on that setup. If it isn't, switch it in your Instagram settings before you continue. When you connect, allow the necessary permissions so Later can access your Instagram profile. This connection is what lets Later prepare your reel for hands-off posting. Next, head to the calendar in Later. Think of the calendar as your planning hub. It's where all your upcoming content lives in one place. Look for the Create Post button and select Reels. Choosing Reels here ensures the correct format and fields appear, so you don't run into issues that can happen when a video is created as a standard post by mistake. Now it's time to upload your video and fill in the details that will make your reel stand out. Upload a vertical video that fits Instagram's reel format. Keeping a 9:16 aspect ratio is best, with clear visuals and crisp audio. Trim and polish your clip beforehand so it's ready. Later we'll handle the scheduling, but your edits should be complete before you add it. Add a caption that hooks viewers in the first sentence. A short, punchy opener can increase watch time and engagement. Include a clear call to action, something like inviting comments or telling viewers what to do next. So your reel doesn't just get views, it gets interaction. Keep your tone consistent with your brand and make every word count. Include relevant hashtags to help your reel get discovered. Stick to targeted, niche hashtags rather than the most popular generic ones. A balanced mix of branded, community, and descriptive tags usually works best. Avoid spamming too many. Relevance beats quantity every time. Choose a strong cover image. You can select a frame from your video or upload a custom cover. Make sure the subject is centered with key text away from the edges so it looks clean both in your feed and on your profile grid. If your brand uses a visual style or color palette, reflect that here for a cohesive look. Once your video, caption, hashtags, and cover are set, review everything. You've now set up your reel inside Later and are ready to move forward with your content plan. That's it. Simple, organized, and ready for hands-off posting.